video ever. I want to do it on Minecraft. So, I was going in the settings, so don't worry about that. But first video, and sorry about the mess behind me. Little problem, but don't worry, I'm gonna work through it myself. First video, so get started with. And I was gonna do it on Among Us, the new airship map, but I actually decided to do Minecraft. So, oh yeah, I have a bunch of other worlds, so. Wow, this is actually crazy to me. So, I actually have data packs, because I wanted to make it kind of like moddy, because I don't actually know how to do mods, so I decided data packs. Let's call it, what do you want to cut? Let me give it a good second. Okay, I'll actually be in the worlds when I'm ready. So, I couldn't actually get the data pack song. I'll try that for maybe a new series. I don't know. First video on the computer, I don't know. But, normal mode, survival mode, whatever. Let's just get it on with. First worlds, and I have no idea what this is. Oh. There. What's going on? Okay. Yeah, I actually haven't made a skin set yet, so don't worry about the, Steve thing, because I've never ever made a skin and I don't know how to make one. I will be looking forward to doing it though. Wow, it's so laggy. Okay. Wait, why is this laggy? Okay, yeah, it's actually really good now. Is this a lava pool right here? Oh, yes! That's actually really, really good. Oh, my face cam is laggy. Kind of. Okay, but I'm just getting the sheep. Bam, 3 white wool already. Oh no, force fire! Oh no! Oh no, this is actually bad. Don't do this in real life, guys. If you're doing this in real life, you're gonna get a forest kill. Oh gosh, no, this is really bad. I kind of feel bad for these trees. I don't know why, even though they're virtual, not even real. No, don't catch on fire, please don't. Oh well, I don't know if I can do anything to save it. I don't think that's gonna spread, and then it could spread to this tree. Oh no, it could. Okay. Yeah, it can spread, but there's a lot of sheep here. So let's just get started. I just want to make somewhere around this lava pool, but something that probably won't catch on fire. So, yeah, I'll be back when I have some wood. So I got a lot of wood, but I hate this a lot. The new Nether update, not super new, but gosh, sorry, I have the hookups. You can't stack blocks very well. It's not very easy to do stuff, so yeah. What was that? Oh, nice. For 6. So, sorry for keeping, jumping a little bit. But, sorry. I have hiccups, and it's very annoying. I'm thinking of just making a huge big tree. And also, I've never defeated the game before. Oh wow, force fire spreading. I'm extremely sorry, but yeah. Wow, okay, I'm getting very tired of this. Let's keep going. What's that? Oh. There's some hangers on the floor. What? Okay. I'm thinking I'm gonna hang over here. Gosh. Here's a nice few loose bushes. Okay, so I'm thinking first we just make a simple nice little ship. Maybe let's start over here. Probably just right in the middle, I don't know. I'm not really that builder type. I've been trying to get better into that builder type, so yeah. Okay. I'm just thinking we just need a simple little, fast little ship, and then we can work on it through that time. So, okay. I'm still very confused why there are hangers on the floor. Okay, let's just get rid of these two. Maybe in a little bit I can level out this terrain so it doesn't look very uneven, I guess you could kind of say. Not like out of the ordinary type of thing, so. Or whatever. I have no idea what I just said. Okay, so. Break that block. Just gonna make a nice little floaty. So, yeah, kind of like this. I'll be working on it more in the next video, which I'll probably film right after this. Also, to record, I'm using Screencast. Very good recording system, but it's also free. But you can also get a membership where you can have videos that are longer than 15 minutes. So I wouldn't actually be recording without Screencast. So thank you, Screencast. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. Okay. So I'm probably going to make this video like 10 minutes, maybe. Oh my gosh, those hiccups are probably so annoying to you guys. They're also very annoying to me, so yeah. I'm just going to get rid of this real fast. It's probably faster actually above. No, I don't actually see a difference. But in the next one, I'll probably add a data pack. And instead of making our own ship, we'll probably find our own ship. Yeah. So, and now how to get in. Ooh, I never thought of that. Huh. We'll probably put like ladders on the sides, but for now, I'm going to make a simple little that. And on the corners, we'll have rose bushes. So we gotta go find some more. I'm surprised they took roses out of Minecraft. Why did they do that? They used to have roses, but now they're poppies. But they still have the rose bushes. Oh, wow. Actually, there's some over there right now. I'm gonna go get those. Swimming time. Oh yeah, I forgot. We can't actually add those stuff to here because it's already generated, and we'll add them to new worlds that'll be made. This is just a simple little Minecraft series. We're probably gonna make 2 more series of data packs and the hardcore because I like actually hardcore. I have my old hardcore world. I may let you tour it one time. That's actually probably what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna grab it later. So I guess this is kind of like a starter home. I'm not that good at building, so please don't judge me. So probably like that, and actually no, I'm just gonna make. Oh gosh, it's getting night. I'm just gonna make a simple little bed right now because I do not want to be going off right now. Where's my other piece of wool? Oh, there it is. Okay. So, raw mutton doesn't get you killed, which is pretty cool. So now, crafting table. From this crazy new system. What? It's really slow, as you can see here. I have no idea why Minecraft added that, which is a little mad, but it's fine. Oh gosh, I gotta build a house. So it's getting nighttime, and I'll be back with you when it's either morning, I die, or when I'm finished building. So see you for now. Okay, so I've gotten doors and stuff, but I forgot I need wood to make a bed. So I'm just getting a little bit of spare wood. Oh, I hate when that happens. I actually gotta run out there and go get it. Actually, no, it's actually probably not that bad. Probably nothing is out spawned here. Yeah, I mean, I don't see any mobs. Oh, I see a spider there. Do you guys see that? I saw for a second there were eyes there. Oh, what? Oh, right there too. Do you guys see that? It's so cool. I can see their eyes glistening in the night. That sounds actually pretty cool. Okay, anyway, bed. I'm actually using the recipe book instead of the just crafting individually. So yes, finally, first base, first video. That's 2. First forest fire, first lava pool. I don't know how to say that. First bed, first night, first day, first series, first computer video. There's a lot of firsts in this video. Okay, anyway, that is what I am naming this video. So, yeah, I know I'm Steve. I'm probably going to make a skin by next time. Probably not, but it's just Steve for now. So, see you guys. Smart Aiden's still here. Subscribe. It's free. You don't have to. And you can always change your mind later. Like if you want to see more of these videos and not want me to be a Steve and probably me work on data packs more. So, also subscribe. That's a lot more than a like. Yeah. So, bye guys. Thank you everyone for watching my videos. It really means a lot since I'm not very popular and I don't intend to be. Bye everyone.